In this video, we'll be doing an overview of the account uploads section inside a client file. Right now we're looking at the account docs page when you're inside a client file. And this page handles any document that pertains to the year and business type that you're looking at. So any tax return that relates to the 2024 tax prep year, any W-2, any of those documents we would want to store here. For any document that is more of like a general document, like a driver's license or something like that, you want to put that in the perm docs. Starting with the top left, we have this type checkbox. What this does is it groups our documents based off of the upload type that we uploaded them with. So we can see that we have two here that are for e-sign, one document that's for reviewer docs, and you can click on the I to view just those documents if you wanted to. And then uncheck the box there to get it back to the normal view. We then have our uploads filter, so we can have it show all of our uploads, which how it currently is. We can switch it to only show our closed uploads, which are indicated by the marked as done checkbox right here. So like any document that is marked as done counts as a closed upload. Then any document that is not marked as done is an open upload. So you can use this to filter so you can only see those documents. Then in the top right, we have add, and this is the primary way that you're going to upload documents. So you click on this, pulls up a new menu on the side. You select your upload type that you want to upload it as. So you're going to kind of define the document with the upload type here. So say if you're going to upload a W-2, you can select the reviewer docs one we have here. Client access just indicates the client's level of access to the document. No access means that they cannot view this document on the portal. Full access means they can. Limited means that they need to pay their balance in Atom, so they'd have to pay this $50 balance before they could actually view that document on the portal. This done checkbox is just a way you can mark a document as done or not done when you upload it. Disable notifications, so if your upload type is set to send out a message whenever you upload the document, you can turn that message off with this checkbox here. If the document needs to be e-signed by the client or the spouse, you can turn that on with these checkboxes here. And that will then set up the document for e-sign. Predefined note, if you have any set up, you could select them here. Say we're going to just do a W-2. And then if you need to type in here, you can obviously just type in this field or timestamp it and then leave your note that way. Browse is going to open up your device's file storage where you can then upload a document. So if you click on this, it's going to pull up my file storage. I'm going to then select just a test document to upload. Grab the document, click upload, and then you're good to go. You can also drag files onto this box here, and that will then also count as you uploading the document. Once you're ready to upload, you can click Save Close. That will then close out this menu and upload your document. If you need to upload an additional document, you can click on Add Additional Uploads. That will then upload your document, but keep this menu open so you can re-upload. And then if you're going to press clear, that will then clear every setting that you've set up in here. So I click that right there, it resets it. So that's how that menu works. Then our actions button contains delete, where we can then select documents with this setting here and then delete them. You can also download them as a zip folder if you wanted to. Move uploads, this pulls up a menu where you can move the documents to a different count year or over into permanent documents. So this is where you can move them around across different years. And then you have override fields, where again, any document that you select, you can override its fields like their access level, notifications, if they're enabled or not, and then also the override upload type you can do. Then lastly, for our buttons, we have update, and this works with our done and not done checkbox. You can mark a document as done just by selecting it right there and then clicking update, and then marks it as done. And you'll notice too that any document that is not marked as done, it's going to have a yellow highlight for this done checkbox here. Also, the file name is going to have that highlight as well. Then over on the left with our columns, we have actions. This has the selection box, which we already talked about. And this works with our actions button over here. The edit pencil will reopen up this uploaded document for edits, which we can then make changes and save. and the trash can will delete our document. And then for any document that's been e-signed, you have this printer icon. What this does is it opens up a new tab of the signature certificate, which then you can then print off and save. The done column displays whether or not the document is marked as done or not done. Upload type displays the upload type of the uploaded document. File name displays the file name of the document. The description is that notes field that you can type in. File access displays the client access to the document. The electronic signatures column displays whether or not a document has been set up for e-sign, and if the client has not e-signed, you'll have this red X here, and if the client has e-signed, you have this green check mark. And then the tracking column just shows who created the file as well as what date and time. So that concludes this overview of the account documents section found inside the client file. Definitely reach out to Adam Support if you have any questions.